Welcome back to the finale of Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. So I was really trying to decide what I wanted to do for my final one, and I wanted to give a try. I wanted to do kind of like a Poison Ivy inspired makeup look, because I feel like she always looks glamorous. So I'm gonna try to do a little something with that. I've already, just put on some foundation and I set it. But now I'm gonna go in. I guess I'm gonna give myself red eyebrows. I'm gonna try. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe, my 35B palette here, and I'm gonna go in with that red shade right here. And I'm just gonna try to make a brow. I might do like a little kind of ombre moment, like I might make it go, darker towards the edge. Okay, I put some kind of brow on. I feel like this looks funny already. But let's see. What else? I wanted to go in with a green, like put some like green shadow kind of just on the outer portion of my face. I'm gonna take this green from here, right here. I'm gonna take that. I might mix in a little bit of this deeper green too, but we'll see. Okay, I'm kind of having that. Yes. Okay. Yes, so now for eyes, I have my Be Perfect palette, my Carnival XL Pro. It's such a mouthful. Oh no! The mirror in my palette broke. I don't even know how that, when did, what? I'm hurt. This is a really nice mirror. Ah! Oh God, I'm gonna have to clear that out so that shards don't get everywhere. Jesus. Okay. Yikes. Darker green shade right here. I guess not even darker green, just like a true green shade in the Hype right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm kind of trying to give this a little bit more of like a winged out kind of look. Yes, because again, like always, I don't exactly know. I didn't exactly come in with, I guess, a true plan for this. I'm really just kind of playing around. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette. I'm gonna take my more concentrated, like crease brush, packing brush, whatever, and I'm going to deepen this up, deepen up my crease a little. Can I give a little bit more definition? Okay, I think I'm gonna take that same green, the deeper green I'm using right now. I'm gonna put this on my lower. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so here, this is my Cara Beauty Girl Scout palette because it's super green and blue. Love this color story. This shade is looking pretty right here. This like shimmery, greenish gold glitter in the shade Pothead. Do I want to go in with it? I might use this. I might use it. Morphe palette here. And I might just still take this shimmery green first and put that on my lid and then go in with that glitter shade on top. I think that's what we're going to do. But this glitter shade, this glitter, I might just put it on the very center. I need something in the inner corner. I don't really know what I want to give. I just put a white shade. I'm gonna do like my liner, mascara, and lashes. Yeah, but I wanted to show you guys. So I got some new lashes, actually. So crazy thing. You know when those like Instagram companies, they like ask you to DM and that kind of stuff. Anyway, this happened like pre-COVID, like at the beginning of this year. And it was this like lash brand commenting, I think, on one of my posts. And either way, I actually DM'd them and they sent me like a coupon code and all this stuff to try out some lashes for free, right? All I had to do was pay for the shipping. Anyway, so this was back in like January and it was like 4 different types of lashes. They were like really drama, definitely more dramatic than I've ever done. But I was like, let's give it a try and let's see, right? And they were talking about how it was like all the ones that I ordered, I think, were out of stock and all of this, whatever. And so at first I thought nothing of it. I was like, okay, you know, everything was on back order. So I was like, okay, maybe it'll come in like a month or something like that. So lo and behold, I honestly wound up forgetting about it after a while, after like months. And then I think they emailed me again sometime around August. And I was like, oh shit, I completely forgot about this. And, you know, they were asking, I guess, if like my address or anything had changed in the time, whatever. Regardless. So then here we are in October. And I had gotten another email when it was talking about that, you know, my items were back in stock and they were shipped. So I was like, okay. And then like maybe a week or so later, a few days later, something, then I got another email talking about it was out for delivery. So I was like, oh, because honestly, as the months went by, I thought I was scammed out of the money that I spent for shipping, which wasn't crazy, but it's still the principle. So I really thought I was scammed. But it turns out they were actually legit because the lashes came in on Friday. No, yesterday. They came in yesterday, which was Saturday. And they're actually here. I got 4 different kinds. This is the bombshell one, but they're like super dramatic, like very dramatic. They're like faux mink, whatever. And the brand, it's Eden Rose lashes. I legit thought I was scammed, y'all, but it was legit and it actually came. So I guess they were really on back order and maybe COVID really messed everything up for them. I don't know. Long story short, I actually got my lashes, so I'm happy about that. Okay. Okay, so liner, mascara, and lashes are all on. So here are the lashes. They are definitely dramatic, but they're pretty. They feel pretty nice, but they're definitely longer than what I'm used to because I can look up, like not even fully look up, but it's like touching. It's touching under my eyebrow. So that's a little, I'm not used to that. But these look nice. This would be good for like stage, photo, shoot, something. Anyway, so yeah, so I do like them. But for my lips today, I'm debating because I have like just a red MAC lipstick. But I also have this more metallic-y red from Cara Beauty. It was when I first bought something from them, that Girl Scout palette that I used with that glitter shade. Because it was my first purchase from them. And they sent, like, this was like a free gift with it. So, I haven't actually used it yet, but it looks really pretty. So I might try that, but I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna try this shade because it just looks really pretty. It looks like it might be really pretty. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Wait, that's really pretty. Ah. Okay. 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 Let me calm down. I think that's the end. I think that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this month of Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. I can't believe it's Halloween this coming week. Like, first off, I feel like October flew because I can't believe this is already my last one of these. It's crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I created this month. I had fun with it. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna make this an annual thing because it's fun kind of trying to figure out what could look cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a happy and safe Halloween. Still distancing. Don't be having no big gatherings. Can't be doing that. These COVID cases, honey. Okay. Anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Back to some regularly scheduled content. Okay, bye you guys.